How can you choose whether to study network engineering or cybersecurity engineering? Based on personnel experience, I will try to answer this question. First, you need to know what each one of them do exactly. 1. What is a network engineer? Network engineers are responsible for designing, maintaining, implementing, and troubleshooting an organization's computer networks. Their tasks include configuring and maintaining network hardware and software, ensuring network security and integrity, monitoring network performance, and troubleshooting network issues. Here are some examples of the most critical network engineer skills: firewalls, scripting and programming languages, knowledge of network design and infrastructure, security, cloud networking, networking automation, hardware, network virtualization. 2. What is a cybersecurity engineer? Cybersecurity engineers identify threats and vulnerabilities in computer systems and software. These professionals are experts who implement secure network solutions to protect organizations' networks and data systems from hackers, cyber attacks, and other forms of computer crime. Here are some examples of the most critical cybersecurity engineer skills: Nessus, Snort, Aircracking, John the Ripper, Burp Suite, Nikto, Metasploit, Netcat, Nmap, Wireshark. In my personnel opinion, and after 9 years of experience, I think that networking is fundamental knowledge for pretty much all of IT. You can't go wrong starting with that and seeing where things go. But you can go very wrong trying to get into cybersecurity without any fundamental IT skills. You do have other flavors of cybersecurity jobs such as ethical hacking, security operations and monitoring, information security, awareness and training, vulnerability management. They are all valid jobs within cybersecurity, and each are different in the work you would do. If you are interested in both networks and security, my advice for you would be to break into networking first. You should know the basic stuff on how networks really work. If you enjoy the more security-related parts, you may consider looking for something else with more security stuff to do and learn. In conclusion, you should learn lots of basic networking, like how systems interact with each other, what are network protocols, what is a vulnerability, how to scan networks, and which domain is more fun to learn and to continue learning, and then move to cybersecurity. If you want to be a good engineer, you need to love what you're doing in order to keep doing it. What do you think about what I've just said? Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.